Welcome to my channel, DNA.12 Education. Okay, welcome again to my channel, DNA.12 Education. Today our topic is about bearing part 2. Yeah, mathematics series, Cambridge and IB test preparation. Bearing part 2. Okay, students, before we discuss about bearing and any question about bearing, two concepts of bearing is sine rule and cosine rule, okay? Now we are going to review the sine rule. For a scalar triangle, we can notify the triangle consists of 3 points A, B, and C, right? Let's say the side opposite to A is X, the side opposite to B is Y, and the side opposite to C is Z, right? Okay, for the sine rule, we can define as a formula x over sine A equal y over sine B equal z over sine C. We call this formula sine rule. Now the area of a triangle of the scalene triangle. The area is a half times y times z times sine A. Yeah, respect to angle A. You can check it. You can see on the angle A by the green circle. Or the area is a half times x times z times sine B. To get the red circle, respect to angle B. Or the area is a half times x times y sine C. Yeah, we can check it. The blue circle respect to angle C. Okay? For the sine rule is very easy. You can apply for all triangle. Okay? And then automatically we can apply on bearing problem solving. Okay, students, the next method or the next formula that you have to understand to solve about bearing is cosine rule. Okay, student, you can see on the screen a scalene triangle. Yeah, there are 3 points on triangle A, B, and C. Okay, here we are, and x is opposite to angle A, y is opposite to angle B, and z is opposite to angle C. For the cosine rule, x squared equal y squared plus z squared minus 2 times y times z cosine A, respect to angle A. So x is opposite to angle A. And the green circle covered by side z and side y. So x squared equal y squared plus z squared minus 2yz cosine A. And then y squared equal x squared plus z squared minus 2xz cosine B. Okay, respect to red circle, yeah, y is opposite to angle B. And then angle B covered by side z and side x. So y squared equal x squared plus z squared minus 2xz cosine B. Now, what about the next formula? Respect to angle C. Angle C. Side Z opposite to angle C. You can check it by the blue circle. Z is opposite to angle C. And C covered by side X and side Y. So, Z squared equal X squared plus Y squared minus 2XY cosine C. We call this cosine rule. The concept of cosine rule is two sides cover one angle respect to opposite side. Clear? Okay, students, now we go to the question 1. Okay, look at the diagram. The diagram shows the relative position of a hospital H and two buildings A and B. Building A is due east of H, where A at 7 kilometers, AB is 5 kilometers, and angle BAX is 69 degrees. Find the distance and bearing of B from H. Okay? Now we can answer this question. Actually, this question is very easy, everyone. Okay? Okay, start to answer this question. Yeah. For the first, we can find a site BH, right? BH. BH, this one, let's say this one is X, yeah? BH. BH is opposite to 69 degrees, right? Opposite to 69 degrees. And then 69 covered by 5 and 7. Is it clear? 69 covered by 5 and 7, and X is opposite to 69 degrees. So we can use the cosine rule. Okay, for the cosine rule here. We can use the cosine rule. By using the cosine rule, okay, cosine rule. Cosine rule is x squared equal 7 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 7 times 5 cosine 69 degrees. Is it correct? Right? X squared equals 7 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 7 times 5 cosine 69 degrees. So x squared equals 49 plus 25 minus 70, and cosine 69 is 0.358. 358. Okay? So x squared equal 48.94. So x is root of 48.94. We got x is 6.995 kilometer. Okay. This is so the distance and bearing of B from H. So BH is 6.99 kilometer. Okay. Okay. The next question is find bearing of B from H. Okay. Find bearing B from H. Okay. B from H means B to H, right? Okay. Bearing of B from H mean B to H. Yeah. This one. B to H. Okay, B to H. You have to draw the Cartesian here. Okay, right? Or this one, yeah. Or this one, same, right? Okay. Clear, yeah? Next, B to H. B to H. So mean, oh sorry, B from H mean H to B, right? So north B to, not sorry, node H, sorry, node H to B, right? So the bearing B from H is this one, right? Yeah, let's say this one, eh? That's the bearing, okay? Bearing B from H means north H to line B. Okay, students, we can say this one is theta, right? Theta is this one. Is it? That's theta, right? Is it to you? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. By using the sine rule, yeah, this one, right? Okay, this one. Sine rule, right? 5 over sine theta equal BH over sine 69. Right? We call this sine rule, right? So sine theta find BH by using the cross multiplying. BH is 6.995, right? Equal 5 times sine 69. Okay. By using the calculator, we got sine theta is 0.667. Using calculator, theta is 41.80 degrees. Okay, that's theta. Bearing, now bearing. Now is bearing. Bearing B from H, right? B from H means not H to B equal 90 degrees, right? This one is 90, right? This one, right? 90 degrees minus 41.84 degrees. Okay, so we can use the calculator. The bearing is 4A because bearing, yeah, 0.48 degree, 0.48 degrees, yeah, significant figures, yeah. For the bearing must be 3 SF, yeah, 3 significant figures. So bearing B from H is 0.48. Very easy, right? Okay, good. Okay, now we go to question 2. Okay, we are talking about bearing. Yeah, two radar stations C and D are 4 kilometers apart, and C is due north of D. C is due north of D means C is 90 degrees opposite to D. Yeah, the bearings of a boat B are detected to be 110 degrees and 038 degrees from C and D respectively. Find the distance BC and find the perpendicular distance from B to CD. Okay, I want to show you the diagram like this. Yeah, there is the diagram. Yeah, CD is 4 kilometers and C is due north of D. Is it clear too? C is due north of D. Yeah, this is the bearing concept or technique how to find bearing. Yeah, to draw the XY coordinates on every single point D, B, and C. Clear? The information B is 110 degrees from C and B is 038 from D. Okay? So what is the meaning of that? Okay, I want to show you what is the meaning. Okay? B is 110 from C means north C to B is 110. Okay, B is 110 from C. Means we have to measure it from north C to B is 110, right? 110 here. Right? And then B is 038 from D. Means we have to measure from north D to B, right? 038. Is it clear? Yeah? North D to B. This one, right? Clockwise, yeah? Clockwise. Okay. The question is find the distance BC. This one, right? BC, this one. Let's say this one is X. BC. Okay, now is our job to find the angle B. This one. Yeah. Okay, this one is very easy actually. You have to find or to complete the data. Okay, so now because this one is right angle, this one 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. So here is 90 minus 38. We got 52 degrees, right? Okay. Sorry, I want to write here. 52. This one. 90 degrees minus 38. We got 52 degrees. We can write here 52 degrees, right? 52 degrees. Yo. Okay, so that's. And then here is 110. So here is 90. Automatically here is 20. Is it correct, everyone? Yeah. Now, by using the angle properties, we can write here is 20 degrees. Here, 20 degrees. Because here is 52. Okay, so here is 52. Is it correct, everyone? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, very clear, right? Z angle, right? Z angle. Is it clear to you? Z angle, yeah? 0. Okay, right? Clear, yeah? Okay, now we have a new triangle. Okay, we can write the new triangle like this. Right? I want to write here is here. Here. Sorry, I want to change the color. Here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And this, right? And then here. And here. Good. Right? Now we're going to complete the triangle first. Yeah, the triangle first. Okay. Here is C. This one is D. This one is B, right? Yes, 4 kilometer. So automatically here is 72 degrees, right? 72. Here is 38, right? Okay. The question is find the length BC. Yeah. So what do you think the formula to use to find the BC? We have to, I think we have to use sine rule, right? Is it correct, sine rule? Yeah, sine rule, right? Sine rule. This one, because x opposite to 38, right? This one. X opposite to 38, and then 4 opposite to 72 degrees, right? Sine rule. Is it clear? So x over sine 38 equal 4 kilometer over sine 72 degrees. So x over sine 38, 0.616 equal 4 over sine 72, 0.95. Okay, by using cross multiply, we got x equal 2.594 kilometer. So x is BC, yeah. Okay, so BC equal 2.594 kilometer. Clear, everyone? Okay, students, we are going to answer part B. Yeah, here. Find the perpendicular distance from B to CD. Oh, perpendicular distance. I think we have to construct the diagram to make sure very clear information. We got the clear information. Okay, I'm going to construct the diagram. Yeah, the diagram is like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. I want to change the color. Okay, one, right? And then here, and this one. Okay. Okay. Next. And then our job is to find perpendicular. Perpendicular. What is perpendicular? 90 degrees, right? Perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. I think this one. Yeah, perpendicular. Okay, 90 degrees. Is it? $90 degrees. Okay. Okay, students. We try to answer this question. Yeah. Okay, any information. Okay, any information. Look at this diagram here. This one, right? Yeah, this one is 20 degrees. So automatically here is 70 degrees, right? Correct? Okay, so it means here is 70 degrees. This one is 38, right? And this one is 72 degrees, right? 72 degrees. Okay? This one is D, this one is B, this one is C. Yeah, perpendicular distance from B to CD. Here is CD and then perpendicular. B to CD perpendicular. So it means 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees. Yeah, perpendicular, 90 degrees. So we can name here, let's say this one is E. Yeah, E. Very good. Okay, perpendicular 90 degrees. Okay, so what is the method? Okay, the best method to answer length of BE. Yeah. Okay, the easiest method to answer this one is to use the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Okay, area of the triangle equal area of the triangle too. Yeah, the left side is area of the triangle respect to C. Respect to C. Respect to angle C. And then the right angle is the area of the triangle is respect to E. Okay, respect to point E. Okay, is it clear to you? Respect to C means we can use the sine rule. This one. Is it? The sine rule. We can use the sine rule here to find the area of the triangle respect to C. Okay. Respect to C, the area is a half times CD times CB times sine 70 degrees, right? And respect to point E, that's this one, I think, the right angle, right? The right angle. A half times CD times EB. Clear? Next, so we can simplify this equation. We can simplify this equation, right? Simplify this one. Yeah. Okay, we can simplify. Okay, yup. A half cancel, right? Cancel. CD cancel, right? Cancel, right? CB, yes, CB is 2.594 times sine 70 degrees by using calculator. 0.94, right? Okay, and then for the right side is EB, right? Okay, so by using calculator, EB is 2.438 kilometers. Okay, so the perpendicular distance from B to CD is 2.438 kilometers. Okay, that's the answer. Very good. Okay, students, to make sure everything's clear about this material, please do the next question. Yeah, there are 2 questions. Yeah, after this video. Okay, have a nice class. Good luck. Okay, students, I will give you extra questions about bearing. Yeah, A, B, and C are 3 shapes. The bearing of A from B is 0.45 degrees. The bearing of C from A is 125 degrees. If distance AB 8 km and AC 6 km, what is the bearing of B from C, and find distance of BC? Okay, students, look at the diagram here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 45 degrees, 135 degrees, 8 kilometer, 6 kilometer, and 90 degrees. Yeah. This one is point B, this one point A, and this one point C. The question is, what is the bearing of B from C? And find the distance of BC. Okay, students, we're going to start to answer this question, how to answer this question. Okay, students, the technique of answering about bearing or how to measure bearing is by using the XY coordinate. You have to draw XY coordinate on every single point. Let's look to the diagram. Yes, XY coordinate on D, XY coordinate on C, and XY coordinate on A, right? Okay, now you're going to measure all angles on every single point A, B, and C. Okay, so then the first is, we're going to start from here, this one. Okay, the degree is 45 degrees here. Okay, and now you're going to draw the, let's say, the angle properties. Okay, this is the angle properties, this one. Okay, and here. Okay, right? You got that one, right? So we notify here that 45 degrees is here, right? So this one is 45 degrees. So automatically here is 45 degrees, right? 45 degrees. Yeah, about this is the alternate angle properties. Okay, so that's very easy. And automatically here is 45 degrees. Why? Because this one is 90 degrees, 90 minus 45. So we'll find here 45 degrees, right? Yeah, you can write here 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Okay, right, very easy. Okay, 45 degrees. Okay, so next. The next is you're going to construct angle properties on point C. Okay, on point C. But the information here is, this one is 135, right? Okay, 135. This one. Okay. So automatically we can write here is 90 degrees, right? 90. Okay, this one is 90 degrees. Okay. So total of this bearing is 135. Okay. So it means we can write here is 135 minus 90. So it means here is 45 degrees. 135 minus 90 degrees is 45 degrees, right? Okay, we got it, 45 degrees, right? Okay, now we're going to construct the angle properties here. Angle properties. Okay. We can construct angle properties here. This one, right? And then construct 2 by here. Okay. And then continue to horizontal line here, this one, right? Okay, good. Okay, we got Z angle properties, right? Now we're going to find the angle. Okay, we can write here the angle is, because here is 45 degrees, right? 45, this one. So automatically here is 45 degrees, right? 45 degrees. We got it, 45 degrees, 45 degrees, right? Okay, students. Okay, students, now we go to point A. Okay, now we go to point A. What's the information we got from point A? Yeah. I think very easy here. Okay, students, here is 45, right? This one is 45. 45 degrees, right? Okay. And this one is 90 degrees, cover 90 degrees, this one here, right? 90 degrees, right? Okay, this angle is 90 degrees. Automatically here is, here is 90 minus 45, right? Minus 45 degrees. So we got 45 degrees too, right? 45 degrees. Okay, good. We got 45 degrees. Okay, because here is 45 degrees. So based on the angle properties, so here is 45 degrees to this one, right? Okay. And next. So what's the next? Okay, I think we are going to reconstruct again this triangle, right? Okay, now we're going to reconstruct this triangle. That is right. And then this one here. Right, and then here. Okay, good, right? Okay, now you're going to answer this one. Try to answer this one, student. Okay. Okay, next. This one is B. This one is C, and this one is A, right? Okay. Because this one is 90 degrees. This one we don't know, okay? But this one is A. This one is 6. Right, good. Okay, now we're going to find distance BC first. Okay, by using cosine rule here, cosine rule. Yeah, cosine rule. Yeah, so BC square equal to a square plus 6 square minus 2 times a times 6 cosine to cosine 90 degrees. Right? Because opposite to BC, right? Here. So BC square is 64 plus 36 minus 0 because cosine 90 degrees is 0. So BC is 10, right? We got BC is 10 kilometer. We got it, right? BC is 10 kilometer. Okay, students, we got it. Look here, 10. Okay, this is the new distance for BC. And then try to another angle, right? We are going to find another angle here. Okay, now we're going to start by using the sine rule. Okay, using the sine rule here. Okay, sine rule, right? So sine rule is 10 over sine 90 degrees, right? One, right? And then a to sine c equal to a over sine c, right? So sine c equal 0.8. So c equal by using the calculator. Okay, by using the calculator. Okay, we got the answer. C is 53 degrees. Okay. Okay, done, right? We got 53 degrees. Okay. Okay, now we're going to find bearing. What is the bearing B from C? Okay, B from C. Okay, right? Okay, this question is very easy here. Now we're going to this diagram. Here is 53 degrees, right? 53 degrees. Okay. And this one is 45, right? Okay, this one is 45. Okay. Now we're going to find the bearing B from C. Means C to B. One is NC and try to measure the angle from NC to B, right? Okay, now we're going to answer this one. NC to B and C to B, right? That's very easy, right? One. Okay, good. Okay, students, I think this question is very easy. Okay, we got this one is 45, right? So it means here is 45, right? 45. So bearing B from C, bearing B from C, okay, from C equal, I think this one, right? Right? Okay. So I think we have to find this one first. We can write here 180 minus 45. Okay, this one. Right? And then 53. Is it? Minus 53. Okay. So using the calculator, we can answer. Calculate 180 minus 45 minus 53. We got 82. Okay, we got here 82 degrees. Okay, so bearing B, yeah, from C is 180, right, plus 82. Okay, so 262 degrees. Is it clear to you? Okay. So bearing B from C is a half circle, this one, right? Plus 82, right? So we got 262 degrees. Very easy, right? How to find bearing and to find distance, BC. Okay, so then we go to the next question, right? Okay, we go to the next question. Okay, we go to the next question. Drawing the position of the object. Okay, I want to give you one example. The bearing of a ship in the Irish Sea is measured from two coastal locations. Okay, this is the map. The ship is on a bearing of 045 from Malta and on a bearing of 330 degrees from Holy Lake. Okay, from Holy Lake. The question is, by drawing suitable lines on the diagram below, mark the position of the ship. Okay, mark the position of the ship. I think the question is very clear, right? Okay, the first is you are going to measure bearing 045 from Malta. Okay, well, we got this one. Okay, we can draw on the map this one. 045 degrees. And then the information is 330 degrees from Hoy Lake. So we are going to Hoy Lake and try to measure 330, okay, clockwise direction. Okay, this one, right? 330 degrees. Okay, students, we got the intersection here, right? This is the intersection. So this is the position of a sail. Very easy, right? This is the position of the sail. Okay, students, now we go to the next. Okay, question 5. This is your turn. The diagram shows the position of the churches A and B. Okay, look at the diagram. Church C is on a bearing of 130 degrees from church A. And church C is on bearing of 245 degrees from church B. In the space above, draw an accurate diagram to show the position of church C. Okay, that's very easy, right? Okay, mark the position of church C with a cross X. Students, try to understand the before material and try to answer this question 5. Okay, students, the first step is you have to construct the diagram. C is on a bearing of 130 degrees from church A, and C is on a bearing of 245 degrees from church B. Okay, students, good luck.